In this video, how to create Lego custom made figures using Sharpie. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to BrickAdvice, building your Lego knowledge. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the BrickAdvice YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about how to create Lego custom made figures using Sharpie. In order to make a Lego custom made figure using Sharpie, number one, you need a ton of Sharpies and a lot of different colors of Sharpie. And the second thing, you need to collect a lot of Lego minifigures. Let's say, for example, you want to make a custom Lego firefighter minifigure. You will need a red Sharpie, a Lego City firefighter torso colored in white, as shown here. So basically, you just color parts that are white on the torso, use red or black colored hands, a white human skin tone head of any kind, use red or black legs, and a red firefighter helmet or firefighter hand, and you'll have a custom Lego firefighter minifigure. And I'll see you next time.